Students, the second chapter, some question answers will going to discuss about. Okay, what are villi? What is their location and function? What are villi? Are you remember, students? Villi, the finger-like projections in the inner walls of the small intestine is called villi. Okay, the finger-like projections in the inner walls of the small intestine is called villi. These are found in small intestine. These are found in small intestine. What are the main function of villi? Villi increases the surface area for absorptions of the digested food. What are the main functions of villi? The villi increase the surface area for absorptions of the digested food. That is villi. Main function. Next, where is the bile produced? Which component of the food does it help to digest? Where is the bile produced? The bile is produced in liver. Where is bile produced? The bile produced in liver. The bile juice stored in sac called gallbladder. The bile juice stored in sac called gallbladder. It helps in the digestion of fat. It helps in the digestion of fat. Okay. Next, name the types of carbohydrates that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. Give reason also. Cellulose is the carbohydrate. The plants also contain cellulose. So, the cellulose is the carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants. Okay, that can be digested by ruminants. The ruminants have large sac-like structure between the small intestine and large intestine. The ruminants have large sac-like structure between the small intestine and large intestine. The cellulose of the food is digested by the action of certain bacteria which are not present in humans. The cellulose of the food is digested by the action of certain bacteria which are not present in humans. Okay. Then, why do we get instant energy from glucose? Why do we get instant energy from glucose? Because it easily breaks down in the cell with the help of oxygen, which provides instant energy to the organism. Okay, instant energy to the organism. Glucose does not need digestion. Glucose does not need digestion. It is directly absorbed into the blood. It is directly absorbed into the blood. Listen. Write one similarity and one difference between the nutrition in amoeba and human beings. Similarities. The digestive juices in amoeba are secreted into food vacuole. Secreted into food vacuole, and in human beings the digestive juices are secreted in stomach and small intestine. Small intestine to secrete juices, digestive juices. Okay, and stomach and small intestine. Then the juices convert complex food into simpler soluble and absorbable substances. This is a similarities. Then difference. What is the main difference? Amoeba capture the food with help of pseudophoria. Okay, pseudophoria. What are the main function of pseudophoria? Pseudophoria main function for locomotions, moving from one place to another place and engulf it and engulf the food materials. That is a pseudophoria. Okay, in human beings, food is taken by the mouth, but amoeba to engulf the food from pseudophoria. Zoodophodia, what is mean by zoodo? Zoodo means false. Phodia means feet. So, zoodophodia means what? False feet. Okay, that is a zoodophodia. Zoodophodia present only in amoeba. The main function for locomotion and engulf the food materials. Okay. Then human digestive system. Draw a human digestive system. Okay. So students, all of you submit, draw a human digestive system and label the parts. Okay. I will give photocopy. So students, all of you draw this diagram and label the parts. Stomach, pancreas, gallbladder, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. Then, can we survive only on raw leafy vegetables, grass? Discuss. We know that the animals, fungi, bacteria, non-green plants and human beings do not have the ability to make their own food. They depend upon autotrophs. What is mean by autotrophs? What is mean by autotrophs? Sorry, remember students, autotrophs. Heterotrophs prepare their own food. Autotrophs depend upon another one. That is the heterotrophs. Okay. Autotrophs for their food directly or indirectly. The green plant. What is the green plant? Leafy vegetables or grasses also green plants. Trap solar energy and make their own food in the form of glucose. So, we can say that leafy vegetables and grass can provide sufficient energy to help us survive. Okay, that's all students. Students, I will give photocopy. So, students, all of you submit my WhatsApp number homework. Okay.